Sunrise on cracked walls, children chasing dreams, smoke rising slow from corner schemes. I walk these alleys, bare feet on hot stone, heartbeat steady and strong. In this battle zone, mama's prayers guide me through the night's fear. Rhythm in my soul keeps the path clear. Sirens scream far off, gunshots in the night. Still I hold my ground, still I walk with light. I'm a Rasta soldier, Jah light in my eyes. In these hard streets, I keep my spirit high. Roots running deep, I chant to survive. Ghetto sunrise keeps my hope alive. Broken windows wide, tell tales of pain. No silver lining here, just drops of rain. But I carry blessings in my woven hat. Lion's courage bold, never looking back. Market bustle, loud shouts echo in the air. Treating for tomorrow with a humble prayer. Little youths run wild, playing in the dust. Smiles in the struggle, faith is still a must.